Let's be real, life insurance probably isn't on your mind if you're a young adult. It's understandable. You're busy with classes, buried in textbooks, and navigating campus life. Or maybe you're juggling jobs, side hustles, and trying to enjoy life with friends. Life insurance? That's for people with mortgages, a spouse, and kids, right? That's what we often think. It feels distant, a problem for future you. Maybe even a little morbid, something we'd rather not contemplate. But here's the thing, the invincibility illusion of youth is real. We feel like anything is possible, and serious planning can wait. We plan for weekends, meticulously coordinating brunch and activities, careers, mapping out our professional trajectories, even dinner carefully selecting recipes and ingredients. Why not plan for the unexpected too? Life insurance is just another way, a responsible way to protect the people you care about. Your family, your friends, even your future self. It's not just about you, it's about them. It's about leaving a legacy of love and support. Most young adults ignore it because it seems complicated, expensive, or unnecessary. It feels like another burden on top of everything else, but understanding it isn't boring, and it doesn't have to be a headache. And it definitely doesn't mean you're planning for the worst. It means you're being responsible, taking control of your future, and protecting those you love. And it can bring real peace of mind, knowing you've taken steps to secure their future, no matter what. So let's break the silence and talk about why it matters. Let's demystify life insurance together. Stay with me. We're going to make this easy. Let's demystify life insurance. It can seem complex, but the core concept is actually quite straightforward. We're going to break down what it is, how it works, and why it's something worth considering, especially as a young adult. It's a contract, a legally binding agreement. You pay regular premiums. Think of them as scheduled payments, and if you pass away while covered during the period the policy is active, your chosen beneficiaries get a lump sum. This money is intended to help them manage financially during a difficult time. Think of it as a financial safety net for your loved ones. It provides a cushion to help cover expenses and maintain their standard of living. The most common type for young adults is term life insurance. It's often the most affordable and suitable option for those just starting out. Coverage for a set period, meaning it's not for your entire life, like 10 or 20 years. You select the term length when you purchase the policy. If you outlive the term, the policy ends. The coverage simply expires at the end of the agreed upon period. If not, your loved ones get the payout. This provides them with financial security when they need it most. It's usually much cheaper when you're young and healthy. Insurers assess risk, and younger, healthier individuals are seen as lower risk. Premiums depend on your age, health. These are key factors in determining the cost, lifestyle, and coverage amount. The more coverage you need, the higher the premiums will be. The younger and healthier you are, generally speaking, the lower your rates. This is because you represent a lower risk to the insurance company. That's why starting early can be a smart move. You can lock in lower rates for the duration of your term. Simple, right? It's all about protecting your loved ones and securing their future. Why bother? Because life insurance is for the people you love. If you have anyone who depends on you, parents, a partner, even co-sign loans, life insurance protects them from financial hardship. It covers things like funeral costs, debts, and lost income. It's about giving your loved ones stability when they need it most. The payout is usually tax-free, so your beneficiaries get the full amount. Even a small policy can make a big difference. It's not pessimism, it's caring and being proactive. It's a simple way to say, I've got you no matter what. Let's look at real examples. Sarah, 25, has student loans co-signed by her parents. If she passes away, her parents are on the hook unless she has life insurance. Or Alex and Ben, a young couple with a mortgage. If Alex dies, Ben could struggle to keep their home unless there's a policy in place. Life insurance isn't just for the wealthy, it's for anyone with people who'd be affected financially by their loss. Even covering funeral costs can spare your family from debt. The right policy is about leaving care, not bills. You don't need a huge policy, just enough to make a difference. Now, let's bust some myths. Myth? Let's tackle some common misconceptions about life insurance, especially for those who are young and just starting out. One of the biggest myths is that life insurance is too expensive for young people. Many believe it's something to consider later in life when they have more assets or a family to protect. Reality, the truth is often quite different. Term life insurance in particular can cost less than a few coffees a month. Think about that for a second. The cost of a daily caffeine fix versus securing your future. And that's especially true if you're young and healthy. Your premiums are likely to be significantly lower. Locking in a policy now means lower rates for years to come. You're essentially freezing your rate at a time when you're considered a lower risk. No dependents? You might still have co-signed debts, such as student loans or other financial obligations that would fall to your family. Or you might want to leave something for family or a favorite charity, even if you don't have children or a spouse. Healthy? Great, that's fantastic news. But accidents and illnesses can happen to anyone, regardless of age or health. Life can be unpredictable. Life insurance is a just-in-case plan, a safety net for those you care about, providing financial security during a difficult time. Think it's complicated and overwhelming. Many companies offer simple online applications and instant quotes, making the process much easier than you might expect. Don't let confusion or intimidation stop you from exploring your options and protecting your future. A little research and comparison shopping or a quick chat with an agent can clear things up fast and help you find the right policy for your needs. Protecting your loved ones and securing your financial future is easier and more affordable than you might think. So what now? Start by thinking about who depends on you and what debts you have. Get a few quotes online. It's quick and free. Don't rush. Just gather info and see what fits your budget. If you want help, talk to an independent agent or financial advisor. Remember, this isn't about being morbid, it's about responsibility and love. Locking in a policy now can mean decades of peace of mind. It's one of the smartest, most caring financial moves you can make. That's real adulting.